Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and a stylish collection of borderline embroidery designs and how you can design your dresses with the art of borderline embroidery, how you can make very beautiful laces with the help of borderline embroidery, how you can design your shirts, dupatta, strollers, scarves, sari pallu, blouses, sleeve borders, trousers, jalebias, and many more creativities with the help of one pattern of hand embroidery that is borderline embroidery style. You can also use the borderline embroideries in a parallel fashion for making hemlines. So beautiful hemlines could be designed with the help of with the art of very beautiful patterns of these hand embroidery, which are being shown to you onto your screens right now. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas of today, and this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have already shared thousands of designs of Portland embroidery, and you always like those designs and comment in the comment section that some further more new designs must be shared. So the basic purpose and intent of making these videos is to share designs, ideas, and creativity with you. We never intend to or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of sharing designs and ideas is to expand our YouTube friends and family members who are specifically lovers of hand art. So now guys, if we talk about the hand embroidery stitches, simple embroidery stitches like chain stitch, lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, and beginner friendly stitches are mostly used in these whole embroidery patterns. Like you can also make these very beautiful borderline embroidery patterns onto your pants in a parallel fashion in a vertical manner or horizontally. You can design the borders of your pant, trousers, cigarette pants, capris, or any type of other stuffs. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for new upcoming videos on my channel.